Hello, my little superstars. Today we are going to learn forming sentences. Are you ready? Yes, let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Can you jump? Again. Can you jump? Your turn. Very good. Can you clap? Again. Can you clap? Your turn. Very good. Can you run? Again. Can you run? Your turn. Very good. Can you eat? Again. Can you eat? Your turn. Very good. Can you sleep? Again. Can you sleep? Your turn. Very good. Let's revise. So, these two kids are singing. What will you ask them? Can you? Correct. Can you sing? Again. Can you sing? Your turn. Very good. This boy is riding his bicycle. What will you ask him? Can you ride a bicycle? Again. Can you ride a bicycle? Your turn. Very good. This girl is brushing her teeth. What will you ask her? Can you brush your teeth? Again. Can you brush your teeth? Your turn. Very good. You did amazing today. You just learned how to form a sentence on your own. Now you practice it every day. Do subscribe if you haven't, and see you in the next video. Are you excited to meet Teaching Mumma again? I am excited too. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.